2022 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. I'm going to show you where the front and back center lift points are in case you want to put your vehicle up on jack stands, or in my case wheel cribs. I couldn't find the official center lift points in the manual, so this is just based off my own experience lifting the vehicle, my own preference. So proceed at your own risk. I'm not advocating this, I'm not telling you to do this, but this worked great for me, so I'm just sharing my information with you. All right, so here we are, we're at the front driver's side. You can go on either side though. I'll show you underneath here. When you're underneath, you can see there is this mud flap here, and then here's your splash guard. Right in between is this X member, and then there's this little area right here that has these two divots. If you can see it, that's where I lifted. You can see the like marks from my rubber pad. So yeah, you're gonna want to use either a rubber puck or a piece of wood or something so you don't scratch it up. But this is the area that I lift the front from. You can kind of look around and there really isn't another good area. And now we're at the rear of the vehicle. So go under here. And the place that I lift is the same thing. You can see there's this cross member right here, and it's got these two divots. So again, you're doing this at your own risk, you know. It worked out fine for me. Other places people lift vehicles from, if you have a hitch. I don't have a hitch. Some people lift from a hitch. I don't like doing that. Other vehicles I've owned that told me that the official lift point is the rear differential. This doesn't have a differential, it has a transaxle, but doesn't have a good place to put a jack stand on. You got suspension components back here. I don't like doing suspension components for lifting, but if you're comfortable with that, you could do that. Yeah, other than that, there isn't really any good spots back here. So this seems like the place to go, and I just did it. So, and you'll see that video right now. You'll see in the video, you'll notice in the video that I lifted from the back first, but by lifting from the back first, I couldn't get my jack under the front of the vehicle, so I had to lift it from the side, which would have been a problem if I was using jack stands. I'm using wheel cribs, so it wasn't a big deal. If you're doing jack stands, maybe try lifting from the front first. And my race ramp wheel cribs, I have the 12-inch set that's two pieces, so 6 inches each. So I had to do 4 lifts. I had to lift it up 6 inches on each side, and then the other 6 inches to get it up. Only because my jack won't lift it up high enough in one lift. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And again, these are not the official lift points of the vehicle. I'm just basing it off of my own experience, so please do this at your own risk and be careful. Thank you.